Planning a move from Maple Ridge to the United States? Since this is an international move, it takes more planning than a local relocation. You will need to think about packing, documents, customs, transportation, and delivery timing. Moving from Canada to the US means your belongings will cross an international border. That makes paperwork, inventory lists, customs rules, and mover experience especially important. The final cost can depend on your destination in the US, how much you are moving, the size of your home, packing services, storage needs, insurance options, and how easy it is to access both locations. For cross-border moves, a detailed inventory is very important. Your mover may need a clear list of household goods, approximate values, and item descriptions to help with customs and transport planning. Professional packing can make the move easier, especially for fragile items, furniture, electronics, and larger household goods. To manage costs, you can also declutter early and pack simple personal items yourself. Customs requirements can vary depending on what you are bringing, your immigration or residency status, and the destination state. It is important to confirm what documents are needed before moving day. When choosing movers, compare more than price. Look for cross-border moving experience, clear written estimates, insurance information, communication, and whether the company explains what is included in the quote. Delivery in the US may involve apartment rules, parking permits, building access, stairs, elevators, or storage if your new place is not ready yet. These details should be discussed before the truck arrives. So, what should you know before moving from Maple Ridge to the USA? Plan early, prepare your inventory, understand customs paperwork, compare movers carefully, and choose services that fit your timeline and budget. For more helpful moving guides, visit 3movers at 3movers.com and read the full guide on Maple Ridge to USA movers and moving costs.